So first thing I would like to do is read the names of those students who have appeared in listening test as well as made their presentations, and marks are given to those children. Okay, just listen to it carefully, and if your name appears at the wrong side, means you have presented and I have not written your name in the list of those who have presented, please let me know. There may have been some mistake. Okay, Akhil Agrawal, he has appeared in the listening test, he got marks for that, and he has presented also. Aniket Uppal has done both things. Ankush Yadav has also done both the things. Anmol Singh Gurjar, he appeared in listening test but not presented. Right?
Yes,
Is
sir.
he there? He is not there. Haan, if somebody else knows, you can also let me know. है ना? And then Arman Shivhare, he appeared in listening test but he did not present. Correct? Niyati?
Yes, sir.
Do you remember Arman Shivhare presenting?
No, sir.
No, okay. Then Aryan Kalawat neither appeared in listening test nor presented. Brijesh Lodha neither appeared in listening test nor presented. Chahit did both the things. Gagan Meena neither listening test nor presentation. Geetika Sahu appeared in listening test but did not present. Am I right? Geetika Sahu, is she there? No. Niyati, if you
Yes,
remember,
yes, sir.
she did not present?
No, sir.
Okay. Then, ये कौन है यार? Karan Kumar, I never heard this name. Karan Kumar. He neither appeared in listening test nor presented. Then Karuna Singh Tomar, neither listening nor presentation. Kritika Chauhan, both. She has done both the things. Then Sahil Khan. His name is there in the list. Perhaps he took the TC, right?
No, sir.
No? Then I've never seen him in the class. Earlier he used to be long
Sir, he
ago.
is there.
Yes, sir, he is present. Yes, sir, he is there.
He attends the other classes.
Sir, he
Yes,
is there
sir.
in the class.
So he
Yes,
is
sir.
there.
Sir, he is present today.
So why is he not speaking? Sahil Khan, are you there in the class?
Yes, sir.
So why are you not responding then? You have
Sir,
neither
ये लोग-
appeared in the listening test nor you have made your presentation, right?
Yes, sir.
Why, beta? क्यों? आप जब क्लास में हो, और मैं यही बोल रहा हूँ कि मुझे तो आप बहुत वक्त से दिखे नहीं हो क्लास में। अभी
सर
भी
मैं
मैं
आता
नाम
था
आपका
पहले
बुला रहा हूँ,
पहले
आप
भी
बोल नहीं रहे हो।
सर मैं पहले भी आता था पर टेस्ट के टाइम पे।
तो टेस्ट का टाइम कोई एक दिन तो नहीं था बेटा, टेस्ट तो एक महीने
Yes,
तक चला,
sir.
पूरा नवंबर चला, बल्कि हमने तो एक दिन और एक्सटेंड किया था दिसंबर में भी, है ना?
Yes, sir.
अनिकेत, हाँ, नीनांशा
Yes, sir.
स्पीकिंग। हमने पूरा एक महीना, पूरा नवंबर हमने असेसमेंट किया है, और उसके बाद कुछ 2-4-5 बच्चे बच गए थे, तो मैंने तो दिसंबर 1 ऑफ दिसंबर को शायद लिया था ना, या 2 को? 1 ऑफ दिसंबर को।
First December.
हाँ, कुछ बच्चों का प्रेजेंटेशन तो मैंने दिसंबर में भी लिया है, जबकि नवंबर पूरा मंथ हमने दिया हुआ था, है ना? तो ये एक दिन में तो हुआ नहीं है प्रेजेंटेशन, या कि आप उस दिन एब्सेंट थे, और मैं बार बार पूछ रहा हूँ, तब भी आप मुझे बता नहीं रहे हो कि मेरा बाकी है, जब आप कह रहे हो कि मैं क्लास में हूँ। Manu Lodha, she has done both the things. Mayank Sahu, nothing. Neither listening nor presentation. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. फिर मुस्कान धाकड़ ने दोनों चीजें की हैं. Ninansha Sharma has done both the things. Niyati has done both the things. Palak, she appeared in listening test but not presentation. Right? Palak.
No, sir.
What no? Presentation किया है क्या उसने?
Yes, sir.
मेरे रिकॉर्ड में तो उसका स्कोर नहीं है प्रेजेंटेशन में. Is Palak there in the class?
No, sir.
She is not there. Tell her to talk to me. Because मेरे रिकॉर्ड में उसका स्कोर नहीं है, मैंने उसको स्कोर नहीं दिया हुआ है. और मैं तो आप जैसे प्रेजेंटेशन करते हो उसी वक्त साथ के साथ स्कोर लिखता हूँ इसी कंप्यूटर पे, है ना? तो मेरे पास उसका स्कोर नहीं है. किसको याद है कि उसने प्रेजेंटेशन किया था? किसी ने यस बोला अभी?
मुस्कान को पता है.
मुस्कान धाकड़, बेटा
Yes,
आपको
sir.
याद है उसने प्रेजेंटेशन किया था?
Yes, sir.
कौन से चैप्टर का?
Sir, the how the camel got his hump का किया था उसने.
किसी और को याद है?
Yes,
अलग
sir.
प्रेजेंटेशन किया?
यस सर, मुझे भी याद है सर, उसने किया था.
यस सर, दिया था.
मेरे पास उसका स्कोर लिखा हुआ नहीं है बेटा. ठीक है, चलो मैं एक बार फिर से क्रॉस चेक करता हूँ उसको, है ना?
सर मयंक साहू आ गया है क्लास में.
मयंक साहू क्लास में है. मयंक साहू.
सर पलक आ गई. मयंक ने तो लेफ्ट कर दिया.
हाँ, पलक.
यस सर.
बेटा आपने कौन से लेसन का प्रेजेंटेशन किया था?
सर चैप्टर फर्स्ट सप्लीमेंट्री हाउ द कैमल गॉट हिज हम्प.
अच्छा, ठीक है. I'll check it once again, okay? क्योंकि मैंने आपको इसमें स्कोर नहीं दिया हुआ है प्रेजेंटेशन में, लिसनिंग टेस्ट में तो दिया हुआ है. ओके. पायल सिंह तो तंवर वो है क्लास में?
No, sir.
नो
ठीक है.
सर.
देखो पायल ने भी लिसनिंग टेस्ट में अपीयर हुई है लेकिन उसका प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं हुआ है.
यस सर.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Prakhar Modi has done both the things. Pranav Pradhan has also done both the things. Prince Meena होगा शायद क्लास में.
यस सर.
क्लास में है?
Yes, sir.
तो वो क्यों नहीं बोल रहा है? प्रिंस बात करो बेटा. हाँ, आप बताओ आपने क्या किया और क्या नहीं किया.
सर मैंने प्रेजेंटेशन भी की और लिसनिंग टेस्ट भी.
लिसनिंग टेस्ट में आप नहीं थे. लिसनिंग टेस्ट का तो गूगल फॉर्म सबमिट होता है और वो तो गूगल फॉर्म में मतलब उस पे ही रिकॉर्डेड रहता है, वो तो गूगल पे ही, है ना? उसमें आपका स्कोर है ही नहीं, आपका सबमिशन नहीं हुआ उसमें. प्रियंका मालविया ने कुछ नहीं किया है, ना लिसनिंग टेस्ट और ना प्रेजेंटेशन. राज वाल्मीक
सर नहीं है क्लास में शायद से.
नहीं है क्लास में. उसका लिसनिंग टेस्ट हुआ है, प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं हुआ है.
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
नहीं हुआ
यस
है
सर.
ना?
यस सर.
नहीं हुआ सर.
ठीक है. ऋषिका ने दोनों चीजें की हैं. समृद्धि साहू ने दोनों चीजें की हैं. संजय धाकड़ ने दोनों चीजें की हैं. सर्वज्ञ भार्गव ने दोनों चीजें की हैं. सत्यम थारवानी ने दोनों चीजें की हैं. शीतल मालविया ने दोनों चीजें नहीं की हैं.
सर वो प्रेजेंट भी है.
प्रेजेंट है?
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
शीतल, टॉक टू मी. शीतल.
सर शायद से उसके माइक में कुछ इशू है क्योंकि उसने माइक तो ऑन कर रखा है पर उसकी आवाज
अच्छा,
ऑडिबल
ठीक है, वो चैट सेक्शन में लिख सकती है यहाँ पे मेरे रिकॉर्ड में उसने लिसनिंग टेस्ट में भी अपीयर नहीं हुई है और उसका प्रेजेंटेशन भी नहीं हुआ है। बाकी बच्चे मुझे बता सकते हैं।
सर प्रेजेंटेशन तो नहीं दिया, लेकिन मुझे लिसनिंग का नहीं पता।
ठीक है, प्रेजेंटेशन तो नहीं हुआ ना?
नहीं हुआ।
ओके। और लिसनिंग तो ऑब्वियसली वो तो गूगल पे ही रहता है, इसलिए उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। लिसनिंग का तो जिसका सबमिशन आता है अपने आप आता है, उसमें
Yes,
तो अपन को कुछ याद रखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है ना?
तो शीतल ने चैट बॉक्स में लिखा है।
चैट बॉक्स में उसने लिखा यस सर। यस सर का क्या मतलब है? बेटा आपने प्रेजेंटेशन किया है तो लिखो प्रेजेंटेशन किया है, नहीं किया है तो ठीक है। वेद शिवहरे ने दोनों चीजें की हैं। वेदांती, क्या ये वेदांती गुर्जर, इसने भी दोनों चीजें की हैं। ठीक है, हाँ ठीक है। वो
शीतल ने
हाँ प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं किया उसने, है ना? ओके फाइन। तो जो मेरे रिकॉर्ड में जो कुछ भी यहाँ पे नोटेड है उसके अकॉर्डिंग केवल एक बच्चे का, किसका था वो, इसका पलक का, पलक ने प्रेजेंटेशन किया है बट मेरे पास उसका स्कोर नहीं है। आई विल फाइंड इट आउट एंड आई विल गिव इट। ठीक है, इसके अलावा बाकी जिन लोगों का प्रेजेंटेशन हुआ है सबका स्कोर मेरे पास नोटेड है। मैंने यहाँ पे एक बार और अनाउंस कर दिया है। जो लोगों ने नहीं दिया था उन लोगों को, सारे जो एब्सेंट थे सबको 0 मिलने वाला है इसके अंदर। इज दिस क्लियर टू एवरीवन? बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू सबमिट ऑल दिस रिकॉर्ड टुडे।
यस सर। यस सर।
यस सर।
जो बच्चे अपीयर नहीं हुए थे आज क्लास में बैठे हैं उनको भी मैंने बता दिया है पूरा, हम बार बार आपको बता चुके हैं। ठीक है, इट वॉज टू बी कंप्लीटेड इन द मंथ ऑफ नवंबर। आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू ऑन 3rd of December। ठीक है, आई वेटेड फॉर एंटायर मंथ एंड आई गेव इनफ टाइम। अब उसके बाद भी अगर आप नहीं कर पाए हैं या नहीं किया है आपने, जो भी रीजन है, तो फाइन, आई एम गोइंग टू सबमिट दिस रिकॉर्ड एज इट इज। इज दिस क्लियर टू एवरीवन?
यस सर। यस सर।
ठीक है, बस मुझे एक ही काम करना है कि मुझे पलक का स्कोर फाइंड आउट करना है। ठीक है, पलक, चलो उसको मैं देख लूंगा। अब और किसी को कुछ बोलना है तो बता दो अभी, जिनका प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं हुआ था और अभी क्लास में हैं, एंड इफ दे वांट टू डू समथिंग, because the sheet is still with me and you have some time। वो मैं आपको अनऑफिशियली बोल रहा हूं, हमारा टाइम खत्म हो चुका है, टाइम खत्म हो चुका है। लेकिन फिर भी किसी कारण से अगर कोई नहीं कर पाया और अगर अभी भी आज क्लास खत्म होने तक किसी को करना है तो फाइन, मैं अभी भी, क्योंकि शीट मेरे पास है, आई कैन गिव स्कोर्स फॉर योर प्रेजेंटेशन। किसी को करना है तो बता दो, क्योंकि काफी सारे बच्चे हैं जिन लोगों ने नहीं किया था और उनमें से 2-3 आज प्रेजेंट भी हैं। एंड इफ नॉट, लेट मी नो व्हाट आर वी डूइंग। हमारे कुछ चैप्टर्स बचे हुए हैं, जैसा मुझे उस दिन नियति ने बताया था जब मैंने उसको पूछा था। उसने बताया था कि लास्ट 2 लेसन हमारे बचे हुए हैं हनीड्यू में।
यस सर।
राइट?
यस सर। सर बट सर इट सो हैपेंड सर पूरे के पूरे 7 चैप्टर्स, अभी 8 चैप्टर्स बचे हैं।
यस यस, तो हम इस बुक को खत्म कर देते ना, ये जो 2 लेसन हमारे बचे हुए हैं। क्योंकि देखो, मैंने एक बात बिल्कुल आप लोगों को पहले भी क्लियर कर दी थी। आपने क्या किया है 2 बार, आपने 2 एक्टिविटीज की हैं क्लास में। आई एम टॉकिंग टू एवरीवन। यू हैव डन 2 एक्टिविटीज इन द क्लास। First, you all made presentations, which was for your practice, and second time, once again, you made presentations, which was for your assessment. And at both the times, what I gave you is different lessons of supplementary reader, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That means
Yes,
every
sir.
child read one lesson in particular for presentation, and when that child presented in the class, that entire lesson was very nicely explained. And you have a big number of students and less number of lessons in supplementary reader. That means every lesson was presented 2 times earlier when this activity was done first.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Every lesson
Yes,
was
sir.
presented at least 2 times in the class when this activity was done first. And then we did this activity once again for assessment in the month of November. All those lessons were once again presented by you all. है ना?
Yes, sir.
Which means each lesson was presented in the class at least 3 times during this session of supplementary reader. कम से कम 3 बार हर लेसन हमने प्रेजेंट किया है क्लास में. यहां तक भी आपको बात समझ में आ गई?
Yes, sir.
है ना? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि लेसन्स आप सबको पूरे क्लियर हैं, स्टोरीज आप सबको पूरी क्लियर हैं. सप्लीमेंट्री रीडर की स्टोरीज जो है यू आर सपोज टू रीड बाय योरसेल्व्स. अब हम क्या करेंगे कि क्विकली एक दिन में एक बस बिल्कुल शॉर्ट डिस्कशन, क्योंकि प्रेजेंटेशंस बहुत अच्छे से हो चुके हैं आप लोगों के, तो उसी को लेके हम बिल्कुल शॉर्ट में उसको डिस्कस कर लेंगे फटाफट. तो जितने जो 7 लेसन्स आप बता रहे हो आर येट टू बी डिस्कस्ड, इट विल टेक 7 मोर पीरियड्स. ठीक है? बट
Okay, sir.
फॉर एग्रीड बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For the sake of
Yes.
detailed explanation, we are left with 2 lessons. The Great Stone Face Part 1 and Part 2.
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Yes, sir.
So let us do these 2 lessons first. Then we'll be left with only the discussion of some stories of supplementary reader, and then grammar, writing, all this. ठीक है? So let me find it out on Class Edge. First of all, is there anyone who has gone through first
Yes,
part
sir.
of the Great Stone Face? Who is
Sir, both parts.
both parts?
Yes, sir. Prakhar.
Prakhar has gone through both the parts. Very good, beta. Very nice. Would you like to tell the story?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it Tata Class Edge screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am playing it for you once.
Yes, sir.
छोटा सा वीडियो है, बिल्कुल शॉर्ट वीडियो. इसको देख लेते हैं, फिर हम थोड़ी सी बात प्रखर मोदी से कर लेंगे, and then we'll go through the lesson.
The Great Stone Face 1. This story is about a young boy and a mountain that appears to have a face naturally carved on it. One afternoon, a little boy named Ernest and his mother sat and watched the Great Stone Face in their valley. The Great Stone Face was a natural formation on the mountain that resembled a human face. Ernest told his mother that the Great Stone Face seemed to be very kind and that he wished it could speak. Then his mother told him that his wish might come true. She told him about a prophecy which predicted that one day a child born nearby would become a very noble person. When this child grew up to be a man, he would look like the Great Stone Face. Ernest was thrilled and hoped he would be able to meet this noble person. Ernest spent his childhood helping his mother. He grew up to be a quiet youngster. He spent so many hours looking at the great stone face that he felt it was communicating with him. One day, a man named Gathergold returned to the valley. People said that he had been born in the valley, moved away to make his fortune, and was now returning as a very wealthy man. The odd locals were convinced that Gathergold resembled the great stone face. But Ernest was disappointed. When he looked at the great stone face, it reassured him that the man in the prophecy would come one day. More years passed. Ernest became a hard-working young man who drew wisdom from the great stone face. He still believed in the prophecy. After some years, another local, who had become a famous commander in the army, decided to return to the valley. The odd locals were now convinced that the general resembled the great stone face. But Ernest could not see the resemblance. Again, the great stone face reassured him that the man in the prophecy would come.
Prakhar,
Yes, sir.
would you like to add something more to it? Whatever is told in this video?
Yes, sir. Sir, may I tell this the both parts of the story in one explanation?
No, no, no,
So
no,
the
no.
whole.
We'll do it part by part.
Okay, sir. No problem. Sir, this story, the main protagonist of this story is the boy known as Ernest. So her mother told him that her grandmother told his mother that the once prophecy is held in this valley that the a boy.
Okay. Can anyone in the class tell me what is prophecy?
Sir, may I? Sir, Prakhar.
Wait. Let somebody else try.
Statement that tells what will happen in the
May I?
future.
Okay.
So this is from the
Samriddhi,
book.
Samriddhi.
So, a statement about what is going to happen in the future.
Sir,
Okay.
Bhavishwani.
If you have a different definition, then tell. And if you agree with what Niyati and Samriddhi have already said, fine.
The prediction of future.
हाँ ठीक है. Okay, fine. So can we say in Hindi Bhavishyavani?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So it was prophesied long ago that somebody who appears exactly like, who has a resemblance in appearance to that great stone face will come in the valley. This was the prophecy. Okay. Now, what is the great stone face? As Prakhar has told and as it was told in the video, can somebody tell me what is this great stone face?
So may I?
No, beta, not you. I'll come to you at last. Ankush, what is this great stone face? His mic is unmuted, he is not speaking. Samriddhi wants to tell?
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta.
So the great stone face was a work of nature, and so it looked like a features of human face.
What kind of work was it? As you said, work of nature. What kind of work of nature was it?
So it was formed on perpendicular side of mountain. So mountain by some immense of rocks that had been thrown together.
that were lying scattered here and there, but if seen from a distance. Prakhar?
Yes, sir. So the gridstone face is a naturally carved face on the mountain. So when we look that gridstone face from a short distance, we found nothing there. But sir, when we look at that gridstone face from a far distance, so we can see that there is a sort of face made on that mountain.
Yes.
And sir, also, so the peoples of the valley said that the because of this great stone face, the happiness is a lot of happiness is in this valley, and also the crop.
Fertility,
Yes, sir.
happiness, everything was all because of this. This was the belief of
Yes, sir.
the people residing, those localites residing in that valley. So it was just, there were some rocks, some stones, some pieces of stones thrown here and there, scattered. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Those were not arranged by an artist. Those were just scattered, but if seen from a distance, it formed a pattern and looked like a human face. If seen from a distance. Many a times it happens when you are free and if there are clouds overhead. What do? Have you done this thing? Finding out images,
Sir.
finding out shapes in the clouds.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes it appears like an elephant, sometimes it appears like something else.
Yes,
Have you done
sir.
this thing?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So it is just an arrangement, a random arrangement that by itself takes the shape of something if seen from a distance. But if you go closer, there is no such shape. This was the thing with this great stone face. The valley, the people who lived in that valley, this hill or this mountain was at such a distance that from there to all those localites, it looked like a human face, and they believed that all the fertility, all the happiness over there was because of this. It was a blessing for them. And there was a prophecy, not written anywhere, but it passed on from one generation to another. हमें पहले वाले जनरेशन के लोगों ने कहा, उनको उनसे पहले वाली जनरेशन के लोगों ने बताया that one day it will happen, that somebody will come, somebody will be born in this valley and will earn a great name for this valley. ठीक है?
Yes,
Will be
sir.
such a great person and will resemble the appearance of this stone face. ठीक है? What happens? This boy, because he was very interested, very keen to know about the stone face, so he kept on asking his mother, and even when he was alone, he sat outside his cottage and continuously stared at the stone face. And slowly he started having a feeling that this stone face talks to him. It started talking to him. It started guiding him. Okay? And because of the wise guidance he received from the stone face, he started becoming wise. Happy birthday, beta. God bless you. Thank you. Many happy returns of the day. क्लास में होते तो शायद मैं तुम्हारे साथ शेयर कर लेता. Someone is writing something here in the chat section. Let me see. अरे बाप रे, इतना कुछ लिखा है. Pranav Pradhan has written, great stone face was a work of nature. It was found. Okay, fine. We have discussed this thing. It's good that he has written so much. Samriddhi Sahu is writing, the boy and his mother both are talking about the great stone face. Yes. ठीक है. Fine. Do you understand this thing? That he had a feeling that this stone face guides him, talks to him. And he started spending most of his time with stone face. With stone face means just looking at the stone face and by himself talking to stone face. Time passed, he grew up, he grew younger. And then it was heard, there was a news spreading everywhere, all around in the valley, that a person is coming from some far off place. And what was his name, Prakhar? Gather Gold.
Sir, gather gold.
Gather Gold. And this Gather Gold was a very rich person. He was also born in this valley, but he moved away. He relocated, shifted somewhere else, and he became a big businessman, earned a lot of money, and now he was coming back. So because he was such a great personality, everybody thought that he must be the exact resemblance of Great Stone Face. When he was coming, this was already declared everywhere. It was already proclaimed everywhere that he will be similar to the Stone Face, and they started waiting for his arrival. When he came, what happened, Prakhar?
Sir, so the people are started saying that finally the man reassembled to face. But sir, the Ernest got upset and sad because sir,
Ernest was
he
not
did not
satisfied.
find that
Yes.
the
He
man the
did
great
not
stone
agree
face.
with the other people of Valley who all accepted that yes, even after
Yes,
seeing
sir.
Gather Gold, they accepted that he looks like the Stone Face. But Ernest was not convinced. He was upset, he was disappointed because he was very excited. Finally, he is also he kept on waiting for somebody to come. He wanted to meet somebody who resembles Stone Face because Stone Face was his guide. And that's why he was disappointed. This can be a question. Why was Ernest disappointed when he did not find or when he did not see any resemblance in Gather Gold? Okay, this much is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
some time passed, and another information came that there is one more person coming. He was also once born in their valley. Then he went away. He joined army. He became a general in the army, and he earned a great name. And he was known as Blood and Thunder.
Sir, blood and
Blood
thunder.
and Thunder. So he was popularly known as Blood and Thunder. When he was returning, once again, the people of Valley, they thought he will be the resemblance of Stone Face. Ernest was also excited. When this Blood and Thunder came, everybody gathered, everybody noticed his appearance, and they all were convinced. Was Ernest convinced this time?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Again, not. Again, disappointed. But when he was in his disappointment looking at the Stone Face appeared to have told him, don't worry, the time will come and the exact resemblance will also come. This is what Ernest felt that Stone Face was telling him at the end of part 1. Prakhar, have I missed something?
No, sir, nothing.
So
Yes,
we
sir.
have gone through everything.
You missed
Good.
one thing about the gather gold. There a short
Hmm?
part that sir, you missed about the gather gold, sir. That sir, sir, the people of that valley, sir, did not believe that the gather gold is the real
The people of Valley, they believed, they agreed that yes, he resembles. It was only Ernest who did not agree. He was not convinced in case of Gather Gold also, and Ernest was not convinced in case of Blood and Thunder also. है ना? ऐसे ही है?
resemblance of the great stone face because all the money of gather
all the money of Gather Gold
is finished.
No, you were saying something. Finish that statement. All the money of Gather Gold.
Yes, sir. So actually, my network connection was lost. And sir, also sir, he's no more is that died when the new commander came.
हाँ,
That's why the people is then the people is realizes that this is the main resembled the Great Stone Face.
okay. Now, when we have discussed the story here, it is clear it is just half of the story. The remaining half is yet to be seen. That appears in part 2. Okay. तो अभी हमें नहीं मालूम है कि जो स्टोन फेस का रिजेम्बलेंस है ऐसा वाकई कोई है भी या नहीं, क्या वाकई कभी कोई ऐसा पर्सन आएगा या नहीं आएगा, क्या अर्नेस्ट की इच्छा क्या थी, अर्नेस्ट की इच्छा दैट ही वांटेड टू मीट द एग्जैक्ट रिजेम्बलेंस ऑफ स्टोन फेस, ठीक है। तो क्या कुछ और लोग ऐसे आएंगे जो रिजेम्बल करेंगे या जिनको लोग मानेंगे कि दे हैव द रिजेम्बलेंस टू द स्टोन फेस, और क्या अर्नेस्ट इस बात से कन्विंस हो जाएगा या नहीं होगा, क्या कभी फाइनली कोई आ पाएगा या नहीं आ पाएगा, हाउ विल और वेयर विल दिस स्टोरी गो, अभी हमें नहीं पता है। जिन्होंने पढ़ा है बहुत खुशी की बात है, जिन्होंने नहीं पढ़ा है उन्हें नहीं पता है, ठीक है। तो आप एक काम करेंगे अब बिफोर द नेक्स्ट क्लास, बिकॉज वी हैव इनफ टाइम, है ना। वील हैव क्लास ऑन मंडे,
No sir, on Tuesday.
Tuesday, yes.
Tuesday.
We'll have class on Tuesday, so we have time. तो आप लोग इतना कर सकते हैं कि फर्स्ट पार्ट को पूरा रीड करो एंड फाइंड आउट कि जो हमने डिस्कस किया उसमें कौन सी चीज हमने मिस की, कहां पे हमने मिस किया है या मिस्टेक किया है, फाइंड इट आउट, ठीक है। और जब आप नेक्स्ट क्लास में आएंगे, सब लोग ध्यान से सुन लो, आपको रीड करके ही आना है पूरा लेसन, और जब आप लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में आएंगे, प्रखर मोदी is going to prepare as many short questions as he can from part 1, and he is going to ask those questions not randomly, not willingly, whoever wishes to answer, not like that, but he'll call your names and ask questions. Prakhar, ready?
Yes sir.
Prepare as many questions as you can, okay, and try to keep your questions as difficult as possible, as tricky as possible, but short answer type questions, one word answer or at the most one statement, ठीक है, not long answers, है ना। ऐसे छोटे छोटे से क्वेश्चंस कुछ अच्छे से, क्योंकि आप ऑलरेडी लेसन पढ़ चुके हो, तो आप उसको रिवाइज कर लो एक बार और सारे क्वेश्चंस फ्रेम करो, और फिर आप आके इन पर्टिकुलर आप बच्चों का नाम लेके और उनसे क्वेश्चंस पूछो in the next class, ठीक है। May I also prepare, sir? Who is saying Samriddhi Sahu? अच्छा, Samriddhi has also read ना already?
Yes.
Okay, beta, you can also prepare questions.
Something.
Yes, yes.
सर मैं also
आपने भी पढ़ लिया था क्या नियति? Niyati, if you have already read the lesson, then you can prepare questions. Otherwise, read the lesson. ठीक है। और दूसरी बात, क्योंकि अभी हमें मालूम नहीं है, क्योंकि अभी हमने सिर्फ पार्ट 1 डिस्कस किया है, तो हमें पता ही नहीं है कि कटप्पा ने बाहुबली को क्यों मारा था। तो अगर किसी को इंटरेस्ट है ये जानने में, तो फर्स्ट पार्ट पढ़ लेने के बाद में सेकेंड पार्ट भी रीड करके रखना, टाइम है आपके पास, ठीक है। और अगर आपने ऑलरेडी रीड करा हुआ है, नेक्स्ट पार्ट जब हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे तो आपको और ज्यादा अच्छा लगेगा, ठीक है। तो रीड इट। एनी डाउट, एनीथिंग दैट यू विश टू आस्क?
No sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
ओके, तो फिर अभी हमने द बिगनिंग पढ़ लिया, द कंक्लूजन हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में पढ़ेंगे, है ना। तब तक
Sir,
yes beta,
sir, we have to ask a question from first part.
yes, only first part,
Yes,
part,
sir.
because second part is yet to be discussed once. आप प्रिपेयर करना चाहें तो क्वेश्चन प्रिपेयर करके रख लो, very soon you will get a chance to ask questions, because in the next class we shall be done with the discussion of second part also.
Okay, sir.
है ना। और सबको मैंने बोला है कि लाइन टू लाइन, वर्ड बाय वर्ड उसको डिटेल में पूरा पढ़ो और देखो if we missed anything, or if we mistook something, or if you wish to ask something, or if you want me to explain something once again, all that will be done in the next class. ठीक है? कोई भी चीज आपको दिखती है मार्क करके रख लेना उसको. Any other question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Then you can leave the class now. Sai Ram.
Sairam,
Sairam,
sir.
Sairam, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry.